Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Amarta, and I'm from Class 6H. With my student number is 19 11 0404 12. Okay, so this video is to fulfill the final exam of seminar in language teaching subject that lectured by Miss Septa Aryanika. So in this video, I would like to present about my proposal that the topic is an analysis of maxim violations in the Dark Knight movie. Without further ado, let's go into the chapter 1. Okay. So for the first is background research. Language is an inseparable part of human life. That language has many functions, for example, as a tool for expressing emotions, social interactions, a symbol of the power of sound, reality control, and an event recorder, a tool for thinking, and to show an identity. So in pragmatic, it is explained that in order for communication to work well, the speech participant need to comply with the cooperative principle that formulated by Greece in 1975. A successful communications happen if the speaker and the speech partner obey the principle, the cooperative principle. If they are not obey that principle, that cooperative principle, it will be called as a maxim violation or floating maxim. Okay. So in the Dark Knight movie is a superhero movie that directed, produced, and co-written by Christopher Nolan that released in 2008. This movie based on the DC Comics character Batman and as the sequel of Batman Begins and the second of films of Nolan's Batman trilogy. So in this movie, there are some dialogue that cause ambiguity, too long-winded, and irrelevant that makes the audience of this film didn't understand what the actor or actress said in this film. So, as definitions above, the researcher take this topic because it wants to aim how the violation of maxim happened in this movie. So the next is problem identifications. Based on the research background, the problems that occur in this film is why the character on this movie violated the maxims. So the problem can occur in some way, and some character has some reason that they violate the maxims in this movie. So the next is scope and limitations. In this research, the researchers only focus on cooperative principle theory by Greece in analyzing the conversation in the Dark Knight movie. And this research only analyzed in 2% conversations. So therefore, Greece theory has divided into 4 subs. So the first is maxim of quality. The second is maxim of quantity. So the third is maxim of relevant. And the last is maxim of manner. So the next is problem formulations. So based on the research background and problem identifications, so the research problem or the research questions are So the first, what are the type of maxim that violated by characters in the Dark Knight movie? And the second questions, why the character violate maxims in the Dark Knight movie? So the next is about objective of the study. Based on the research questions above, the writer has several objectives to follow. So for the first, to analyze the type of maxim that violated by the characters in the Dark Knight movie. And the second, to identify the reasons of the violations maxim by the character in the Dark Knight movie. So the next is significance of the study. So the study of the research is offering some benefit as presented below. So the first, to enhance our knowledge about pragmatic, especially in violation maxims, within the framework of cooperative principle and pragmatic theory. So, in fact, the result of the study can be used as the following readers. So for the students, this can be useful that student that focusing on the field of linguistics. For the instructor and teachers that want to learn and study the maxim of violation that apply in the Dark Knight movies. After all, this resource should inspire people to collaborate in conversations. So the next is previous studies that related to this study. Okay, so the first research is from the Ilham Museum that entitled Conversational Maxim as seen in the King's Speech movie by Tom Hopper. So this research has purpose that to find out the kinds of maxim and to find out the violation of the conversational maxim in the King's Speech movie. So the research of this, the result of this study indicate that maxim has been upheld and also violated. So there are 5 maxim of quantity that violated, maxim of quality and maxim of relevance that are found for conversation, and the last is maxim of manner that occur in 2 conversations. The violations of the maxims, like of going home, difference of the number occurs in 3 conversations. Another form is about quality, relationship, and how it happens in 2 conversations. Okay, so the second research from Pradani and Sembodo that entitled The Violation of Conversational Maxim in the Movie Series Divergent. So this research has some focus on identifying the kind of conversational maxim that violated by the characters and also to explain the reasons of the violations of the conversational maxim in this series. So the result of this study shows that there are 100 violations of conversational maxim in Divergent series. So there are 43 violations in the maxim of relevance. A second in maxim of manner that has 24 violations. So the next violation in the maxim of quantity that has 22 number of violations, and the last violation found in the maxim of quality that reaches 11 number of violations. Okay, so we are going to chapter 2 in literature review. So I would like to discuss about pragmatic, cooperative principle, the Dark Knight movie, and the conceptual framework. Okay. According to Gandhi, pragmatic is what we define, what is speaking, and understand that in everyday. It means that pragmatic is a study that explains how we speak, how we understand what is said in everyday conversation, even though they use a language that we don't know. So, according to Crystal stated that pragmatic is a study the factor that govern our language choice in social interactions and their effect on the other people. And then the next, according to Hornby, he stated that pragmatic is also known as a study how language is used to express something in certain circumstances, especially when the word used have a different meaning from what they actually are. So pragmatic is a study about the utterance, how the meaning of that utterance. So the next is cooperative principle. Chris stated that make your contributions such as is required at the step at which it occurs by the accepted purpose or direction of thought exchange in which you are engaged. Furthermore, cooperative principle is divided into 4 maxims. Okay. Before that, cooperative principle is a rules that we should obey to create a good communication and work effectively. So cooperative principle has divided into 4 maxims. So for the first is maxim of quality. Maxim of quality explains that a speaker must provide true information and do not provide information that is not known to be true or not. So in this maxim of quality, the speakers have to speak honestly, giving the true informations and it is a fact. Okay, so the second is maxim of quantity. Maxim of quantity explains that the speaker is required to provide information according to what is needed and not to provide information that is excessive than what is needed. Nah, so in maxim of quantity, so in this maxim, we have to speak what is required and do not speak too much than information that is needed. Okay. So the next is maxim of relevance. Speakers are required to provide relevant information so that cooperations occurs in a communications. Nah, so in maxim of relevance, the speaker must relevant about what the topic is talking about, what the conversation is talking about, or what the information that needed. So the last is maxim of manner. Maxim of manner said that speakers are expected to provide clear, direct informations and avoid things or information that are vague or ambiguous. Nah, so in these maxims, so we should talk clearly and speak loudly, so the interlocutor can accept the informations clearly. Okay. So the next is the Dark Knight movie. So the Dark Knight movie is a superhero movie that directed, produced, and co-written by Christopher Nolan that released in 2008. So this movie based on the DC Comics character Batman, and as the sequel of Batman Begins, and as the second of Nolan's Batman trilogy. So The Dark Knight, starred by Christian Bale as Batman or Bruce Wayne, Michael Caine as Alfred Pennyworth, Heath Ledger as Joker, Gary Oldman as James Gordon, Aaron Eckhart as Harvey Dent, Maggie Gyllenhaal as Rachel Dawes, and Morgan Freeman as Lucius Fox, and another supporting actor and actress. So before that, the Dark Knight movie is the one of the greatest movie all of time. So it rates at 9 star in imdb.com. So this movie has won at Academy Awards that win in Best Supporting Roles by Heath Ledger. So that roles is so special because the Heath Ledger as the Joker is so grateful. So the next is about conceptual framework. So there are some reasons in violating maxim that be used by the participant in communication, such as giving less information that we require, or giving too much information on that it required to violation the maxim of quantity. Also, they can use metaphor, sarcasm, or irony to violate the maxim of quality. In addition, being irrelevant from the topic is another way of participant to violate the maxim of relations. Moreover, they violate the maxim of manner by being ambiguous, vague, or obscure. So the conceptual framework is from the cooperative principle by Greece. So cooperative principle is divided into 4 maxims that has been present before. So there are maxim of quality, maxim of quantity, maxim of relevance, and the last is maxim of manner. So the next in chapter 3 in research method. So the first is research designs. So in this research, I would like to use qualitative method because it stresses on the clear and solid explanations about the context, and often the problem arise occur in the field. So that's according to Tracy in 2013. So in this research, it's used a content analysis design because it analyzes the human behavior that can be informed as a recorded material such as film, audio, textbook, or document or other documentaries. So why I choose? Because this research, I would like to analyze the maximum of violation in the Dark Knight movie. So the Dark Knight movie is a form of films that recorded material. Okay, so for the next, data source. So in this research, the data source from the movie itself and the script from the Nolan fan site. In this research, the data is from a conversation in the Dark Knight movie. So for the research objects is the conversation between two characters in conversation that comes from the Dark Knight movie. So for the data collection method, so there are five steps that collecting 5 steps of collections data. So there are the first, the researchers download the file of the Dark Knight movie and then takes the video and script the Dark Knight movie from other source that correlates with the research. Second, the researcher watch the movie and reads the script of the Dark Knight movie. The third, the researcher reread and comprehend the information from the script. The fourth, the researcher categorize the data based on Chris Maxim theory. And the last, the researcher collect such as the pointed the data, some violation maxim that found in the conversation in the Dark Knight. Okay. So the last is the data analysis method. According to Van der Stoep and Johnson, state that the result of qualitative studies are presented in data analysis. According to Bogdan and Bicklin, data analysis is working with the data, which includes organizing, classifying, synthesizing, comprehend the data, and determining the data that will be presented. So based on that, so the data analysis is using qualitative method with content analysis. And so based on the explanations before, the steps in data analysis are, so the first, researcher identify the raw data to categorize them into the type and identify the meaning of maxim violations. The second, the researcher analyze the objective of this research to answer the problem formulations. So the last, the researcher made the conclusion based on the findings. Okay, so that's all about our proposal, about my proposal. So it will be a questions why I choose this research topic. Now, so this research topic is quite interesting because it talks about communications that human always use that to interact with another human. Yeah. So in create good communications, we have to use this cooperative principle that makes our communication work effectively. Nah, but in some reasons, we have to violate the maxims. Why? Nah, so that's the questions that we should answer. Nah, some reason that people violate the maxims, that they are hiding something, or maybe they don't want to talk about the topic, or maybe they do not know about something, or maybe the speaker pretend to be someone that smart or something else. So this topic, I think, is interesting because that's about communications, about how to communicate effectively. So that's all about my presentations. So sorry if there are some mistake. Topik ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.